Hi, I'm Toma the Mime. I want to tell you about one of our most popular assemblies here at Mobile Ed. It's called Young Authors Day. Oh, you're gonna love it. But there is a problem. I can only talk when I'm helping students. So I came up with a solution. I made this video for you. Young Authors Day is a full, fantastic day that supports the creative writing curriculum, filled with laughs, fun, and most of all, imagination. It even doubles as a cultural arts program. The fun begins when I show up at your school, and the students are treated to a hilarious, interactive sketch comedy mime show, which I perform live. Don't worry, it's not just all fun and games. After each sketch, we talk about the importance of story structure and how to tell stories for both the stage and the page, as well as how to nurture inspiration for their own original stories. Wait, don't go, there's more. That's just the first part. At the end of the first assembly, I send the students back to their classrooms where they get to break into teams and write their own stories. While they do this, I change out of my costume and come around to each classroom to help guide and give pointers on how to convey their ideas.
All right, friends, how are you up here?
So he's even better than the cowboy. That's good, I like that. So he runs back to it and knocks it over. So really the bird saves him, right? Because he gets pulled into the water. Can the old man swim? During my lunch break, I read every single story, and I select some of the best ones handed in. Then, later on that same day, we have a second assembly for the students. Only this time, the sketches I perform are theirs. If it's your story and you helped write it, I want you to stand up so I can see who my young authors are. It's a fully satisfying day of imagination. There they are right there. Give the girls a hand. And an educational experience that just might plant the creative seeds that will help our young authors of today become our bestsellers of tomorrow. I've had a great time. I want to thank you guys for having me here, for being a great audience, but most importantly, I want to thank you guys for being fantastic young authors. So keep on writing, okay? Bye-bye. Ask for me, Toma the Mime.